it's Scarlett. So as you can see, it's Monday. It's Friday already, and I have chemistry test at 10:45 to 12:15. Nag-aalangan pa no? Yes, 12:15. And time check, it's 8:40. So I'm gonna go at school. I'm already prepared. Yung mind ko hindi pa. Pero as nagre-review ako habang nagbabiyahe papunta sa school actually. And yun, I have my bag, everything that I have and I need is in my bag, and in my wallet is in my pocket is my wallet, some inhaler, as you can see, and siguro protection and need ng sagot. Most essential sa lahat. Essential sa lahat is the rosary. I have this every time that I have exam. Not because bahala si Lord, ganun. Some protection and guide na rin. As well, Mom said, siya lagi nagpaparemind sa akin, may rosary ka ba? Ganyan. So, yun. Hola! I'm in school now. School CR, 4th floor. I have exam in 5th floor. Para wala kasi salamin doon. So, dito ako nag-video. This is my fit for today. Wait lang. Hindi meron. With white shoes. Yeah. So, yun. I'm gonna go get ready for the exam. Nag-exam ang tulog. Bye-bye! Hala! It's Scarlett. I'm back. Pauwi na ako in yung school ko. Yan. Tapos na ako mag-exam. Dumiretso na ako pa-uwi. Di ako napag-video sa may hallway. Kasi, syempre, nahihiya yung tao. Pero hindi. Just kidding aside. Marami din kasi ako nakita makakilala ko. So, formal hi, hello lang. And yun, pauwi na ako. Actually, not pa-uwi. Kasi, I'm gonna meet up with someone who's ate to me. So, see you guys there. Bye-bye!
Luwalhati sa Ama, sa Anak, at sa Espiritu Santo,
it's Scarlett. So, yun. Nandito ko sa computer shop right now. See this thing. Apuwa. Para follow. Normal day in Wednesday. Hala! It's Scarlett. Right now, punta ako sa school. Alam mo naman wala sa school. Pero yun na. Kasi 'di ba, yung peer evaluation, ayun lang. Ay meron pa lang mga transcript na mga letters. Ayun no.
Ano letter?
Ayun.
Patingin
But
Kolo mo, kogrupo.
ayun
Yes.
regular attendance sa
Panalo na ako
meeting.
dyan.
Ayan.
Pero kayo.
meetings, quality question, discussion, kinemi roots, overall performance. Oo. And then, nakalagay naman sa taas yung pangalan. Tapos, lalagyan mo na lang number.
Meron pa.
Diba sabi ko sa'yo?
I-rate ko.
Basta, ito, sabihin ko sa'yo. Yung mga tumulong is, tawag na to, minsan syempre, leader, si Kirsten, ako, eto, tas ito. Mostly patay. Kaya sabi ko, diba, nasan yung concept mo, diba, nasanan mo? Bago pa tatype ko pa. Nasan yung hypothesis? Tama ba yung hypothesis natin?
Hindi.
Yung sinend doon sa GC?
Hindi.
Yung voice nyo na.
Hindi pinaltan. Hindi. Ano? Sabi ko, i-reflect. Wala silang pake. Ano ba?
Alam mo ba kung paano gumawa na hypo? RRL na.
Ano daw?
RRL nung dahil alam niya. Dapat kinuha mo sa RRL.
Ano daw?
Tinanong ko kung marunong siya ng hypothesis, RRL lang daw. Dapat kinuha mo sa RRL.
Naghanap ako ng katulong. Wala ako ng ang kapal! Kapal mo!
Naki-grade sa iyo. Tignan mo nga yung pangalan nito, tapos grade natin. Sige.
Tignan mo yung
Alin?
Pag na-study yung nilagay ko.
Ano?
Hindi nakalimutan mo ilagay sa conclusion.
Eh di lagay mo mamaya, di pa naman ipapasa.
I-rephrase mo na yung hypothesis bago ko revise. Ay, idagdag mo yung conclusion. Kasi tinan mo yung hypothesis natin.
O diba? Alam mo yung pinaprint nila, kulang-kulang. Tapos yung references ni sir. Aray ko.
Ano kasi, di ba sabi ni sir, wag daw yan. Kasi hindi naman connected sa SOP natin. Tapos hindi mo rin malalaman if makaka-improve ka siya. Kasi wala ka tayong feedback.
Oo.
So, mali siya. Kabasa ka. Kasi wala din. Ay, oo nga. Diba?
Dapat inassign nyo na yung hypothesis na nasa defense.
Kay leader ka. Sabi niya, ikaw naman, perfect. Ako pre, hindi ko sayang. Face ko, sinong maka-assign dyan.
Oo.
Sabi niya, sige.
Ay, nandun ka ba? Nandun na to ng defense, di ba? Alam mo yung gagawin dito?
Basta hula lang daw natin ang result.
Kasi, hindi mo naman kasi mamameshare para
Oo.
Anong bago? Ibago?
Anong panibago?
Sabi kasi ng leader na, pwede daw baguhin natin ito na.
Sige. Nasubmit na, sabi mo na kay sir.
Ano yun?
Submit na kay sir ha. Per ebal.
Parang joke to.
Nasubmit na kay sir, yun na. Paano hindi ba na-receive ni sir? Oh.
Sabi ko, sure kayo dyan? Kasi sabi ni sir, di naman daw. Sabi niya, what if daw?
I-apply siya para ano, knowing na alam natin. Sabi ko, basta bala kayo kung anong gawa nyo. Basta base lang ako.
Sabi daw, potential to significantly improve. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin idagdag dito.
Oh, pwede naman na.
May potential.
Oo.
Kaso, hindi rin naman.
Bye-bye. Ingat.
Good luck.
Oh, good luck.
Paano yung peer eval? Paano ako magpapasa?
Oo nga.
Asan na yung leader niya? Umuwi na.
Mamaya pa, dating na. Uti na daw siya eh. Sabi ni sir.
Silip pa kayo.
Uti daw ba?
160 pala.
Nasaan ba?
160.
Hindi, ano, ipapasa siya ng on. Ano, peer, ano.
Masyado naman.
Gawa nang nakapapel siya.
Paano yun?
Hindi ko din alam. Sir, takbuhin yung takbuhin. Tinakbo. Hala, kakatapos lang ng klase ko. So, yun. Ito yung fit ko today. Kahit hindi kita yung pants ko. I'm wearing my jersey. Kahit di kita. Di nga kita. Basta David. Basta yun. Gonna go home already. Inaantok na ako. And yun, kailangan ko tumapos ng manuscript. So, see you guys back at home. Bye! Hala, it's Scarlett. So, yun. Today it's... It's Thursday. And I don't have a class. And actually, meron akong klase. Kaso, ganito. But, hindi pumasok yung prop namin. So, umuwi na ako. Umuwi. Wala pa ako sa bahay sa kabila. Nandito lang ako sa main naming bahay. Daming bahay. Keme. So, yun. Pauwi na rin ako ng alas 3. Time check. It's 2:52. Wala again. Nawala yung video. Oh my God. Pero yun nga. Butam-kakak na to. So, yun. Today, ano ba nag-isip? I'm going to review mamaya ng chem kasi I have not quiz. I have a test at chemistry lecture. So, yun. You will see later how I prepare for test. I prepare! Tapos, after ng test na yon, birthday party. Birthday! Not actually birthday parties. Simple celebration lang ng friend ko. So, today, I'm going to do research. Actually, yung research ko, tapos na kahapon, manuscript. Since then, I have 2 research. One for the mathematics mathematics modern world, and 2 is programming design. I have to finish that. Then create a survey, create codings, Chemeroot. So yeah. You will know how. Keme lang. So, yun. I will see you guys later when I got time to video. for now, I'm getting ready to go home already. Kahit nasa bahay ako, pupunta ako sa kabila. Doon kami usually na-stay. So, yeah. Yan. Bye-bye! Ay! Gonna see my kittens. Wait. Here are they, my kittens. Actually, tatlo sila. 2 puti. At isang kakulay nung nanay. Ewan ko ba kung bakit dyan nilagay nung nanay. Kasi, ewan ko din. Nanay niya is actually, her name is Nikki. And these 3, I don't have names for it yet. So, stay tuned. Meow. Meow. Yon. So, at Saturday siguro, itutuloy ko yung mga videos ko for touring. Siguro voice over na lang din video ng mga surroundings ng school. Kasi I don't have cameraman. I don't have cameraman. Meron akong tripod, pero syempre, mahihain ako sa school. I'm mysterious. Pero yun, I haven't filmed any of my journey in Mapua while doing sports. So, I kind of felt, disappointed. And syempre, I kind of regret it then. Pero since kasi, I have to, this second sem is my last sem. And I never got to third sem because of personal reasons. Siguro, probably tutuloy ko siya when that personal problem is solved. And I can wait to go and study again in Mapua Malayan College of Laguna. It's been such great honor to study to that school. And although they have lot of problems like other school and public school, but the lesson on there, as in, dun ko natutunan kung paano mag-step up, dun ko natutunan kung paano nag-leader up, as in, it's such super great honor to go in that school, represent my colleges of my college. If you don't know, nandun sa first video ko, it's just October vlog, how I represent the school, or how I represent the computer engineering as my program to fight other colleges of that. So it was a great pleasure to represent it. And since then, while I'm not studying, I have plans to get a job. Since I don't want to, tambay sa bahay. Usually, yung iba yun yung ginagawa. Well, hindi naman sa nandiya-judge. It's their life, it's their choice. So, I don't really care if that's their choice. Basta ako, choice ko to. Well, I'm planning to apply some fast food chain or kaya electronic. It's based on my resume also, and how things escalated. And since then, I'm continuing doing vlog, but not Mapuan vlog na. Ang last na Mapuan vlog ko is April 1 na. Then I'm gonna announce it also. I have a vlog. I have a vlog soon when the youth camp started. Actually, hindi ko na video yung journey how I prepare to be server ulit in that camp. I have camp once, become a youth member. Pangalawa is become a facilitator. Pangatlo is become a youth service. So, I'm gonna vlog every single of that and gonna show you how it's done. So, yun. Hola again, it's Scarlett, and see you later. Shit.
Good day everyone. So we will explain our GUI about Roman numeral to decimal. So I will explain it with
Kurt Aaron L. Saturno and
Scarlett Nicole S. David and
Amihan Gayeta. To create GUI, we will use JFrame, JText, JCheckbox, and to the condition statement, we will use if, else, try catch, int, for loop, and switch case to convert the value to Roman at decimal.
as Miss Amihan said, we used JLabel, JTextbox, JButton, and JCheckbox, and this is the result. And I also put the label so they know what to input. When running this program, as you can see, we have here a checkbox. You need to check it before inputting, because if not, something will appear here. Please check the box to confirm. So, when confirmed, I will show how it is converted.
so for our decimal number, minimum is 0, and for the maximum is 3999. And also, only put Roman numeral number into the box or decimal number in order to run the program. And if you put valid number or valid numeral number, it will cause invalid result.